Anybody that's watched the show for any period of time knows that I like to invest back in the company by buying equipment and stuff. Sometimes it pays off better than others. Like we started deburring our parts. We never did that before. We just hand clean them up with a roll lock and an angle grinder. But now we're under the gun. We got to get the Roadrunner done. We got to get the parts completely sandblasted for the front suspension. But they always take a lot of cleanup on them to make the pits and the rusty areas go away. So immediately after those parts are sandblasted, I put them inside the deburr machine. And it's like just a bunch of little helpers in there that don't charge overtime, by the way, and don't show up late to work. So they're the best employees ever. They sit there and they do an aggregate thing as they tumble through it. And when you pull that control arm out of the knuckle or whatever you're cleaning and polishing, it looks like a brand new part. We can put a satin clear over the top of it, and it's ready to go back into the car. So in essence, if you add up the quality, the consistency, and the time of not having manpower there, the only manpower you need on this machine is long enough to load it, long enough to take the parts back out of it, rinse them off, and start treating them. So in a situation like this, where time is money and money is time, and we have none of either at this particular moment, that's the best piece of equipment in the house.